So hi everyone and welcome to my channel again. This is the second video from the Eiffel Tower, Paris.
A man like that is hard to find, but I can get it on my mind. And it's sad. Cause you know it's in there. Twice. Cause it's not a thing you can think about.
So I came here today to check what is the waiting line, how's the queue, how's the... See, seems today not so many waiting queue there, the tickets. So I believe around 1 hour is the waiting time, and for the stairs it's a bit longer because you can see stairs over there, so they are a bit longer queues. Donc, so yeah, we will go up.
Scusa, siamo venuti a Parigi. Oh, Giulia, non stai fermo?
So, as it seems today, the only elevator is that one that is working. So that explains there is no queue over here, and it's only for buying tickets for stairs. And this huge queue over here is for elevators. So I just asked the lady in the office, and she said this long queue, they are all waiting to go for the elevator because it's the only one which is working today. There's the elevator going down, and that explains why this huge queue over here. This explains why. Crazy. There you go. Then the line goes in zigzag until you get to the waiting room for the elevator. So let's see from if you happen to have a ticket online, then you just come to this gate over here, and then you skip the whole queue. So you can see the benefit of the online ticket. So you just come over there. As you can see, there is one lady who came in, or actually a couple. And they are going all the way to the front. Nice.